This is a video about Yealink MVC940 unboxing. Step 1. Connect and install MTouch Plus. You can find these two cables in the MTouch Plus package. Connect the Cat5e cable to the MCore port. Use the USB cable to connect PC to MTouch Plus. Cover the back cover of the MTouch Plus. Step 2. Connect and install MCore Pro. Press the buttons on both sides to open. Connect the Cat5e cable from MTouch Plus to the MTouch port of MCore Pro. You can find this USB 3.0 cable in the AVHub package. Connect the Type A plug of the USB cable to the MCore Pro. You can find these cables in the MCore Pro package. Prepare a network cable to connect the MCore Pro to the network by yourself. Connect power adapter of the MCore Pro. Connect the HDMI cable as needed for the display. Close the bottom cover until hearing the meaning it has been fastened. Fasten the MCore Pro with machine screws. Install MCore Pro. Pay attention to the direction of the bracket before mounting it on the wall and on the display. Step 3. Connect and install UVC84. Connect the Cat5e cable from the UVC84 package to the VCH port. Install UVC84. Step 4. Connect AVHub. Connect the power adapter of AVHub. Connect Cat5e cables from UVC84. When you connect the UVC84, UVC86, MSpeaker 2 directly to the AVHub, the total number of connections must be no more than 4 devices. If the total number of connections exceeds 4 devices, you need to connect a PO switch. We recommend using Yelink RCH40. Connect the other end of USB cable from MCore Pro to the PC port of the AVHub. Remember to connect all devices to a power supply. Step 5, optional. Connect VCM35/38 and MSpeaker 2. Connect Cat5e cables from VCM35 or VCM38 to AVHub. Use Cat5e cable to connect MSpeaker 2 to AVHub. Step 6. Set up the system. On the EULA interface, select the Agree checkbox. Click Next. On the account interface, enter the email account and password of Skype or Microsoft. Select Skype for Business and Microsoft Teams default from the supported meeting mode drop-down menu. Click Next. Click Next. On the advanced interface, configure the domain. Click Next. Click Finish to finish the setup.